Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this video, and in actually the next four lessons, lesson 23, 24, 25, and 26, I will teach you how to write the alphabet. I understand from students that writing practice will help you to memorize the alphabet. So stay tuned. And in this video, writing practice, תרגול כתיבה, כתיבה is writing and תרגול is practice. So we will practice Alef, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav. Alef, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav. The letter Alef, sound of A, E, I. So you see, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can play with it, right? Like calligraphy. But the point is that you will understand the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bet, the sound of B, like B or V. Bet could be with the gesh, the sound of B, and V, bet without the gesh. So, like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Gimel, the sound of G or J. So in short line here, 1 and then long 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, you can see that it's hard to write like this and not like this, but get the point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The letter Dalet, this is the sound of D. And here we have two lines, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, like this. 1 and 2. 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 Like this line is, we do it close to the right edge. 1 and 2. The letter Hey, the sound of H. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can also like 1 in one line, but you can do it like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or with one line, like this. 1 and 1. But 1, 2, and 3. 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 Just like this. The letter Vav, the sound of V, or M kri'ah, is M kri'ah, meaning like vowel. The sound of O or U depends on the nikud. So here you see a short line and a long line like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Or 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And sometimes just straight line. It could be also the letter Vav. 1, 2. 1, 2. Or 1. 1. 1. 1, 2. But very short and long. So I hope it will help you to memorize the alphabet, and I will see you in the next video. להתראות בסרטון הבא.